within your decisions, especially when it comes to making money online. I'm just here to make sure that we drive your confidence. We drive your confidence to another level of decision. And so we are going to start from somewhere, then we head somewhere. So let's dive into something very important when it comes to financial markets or cryptocurrencies in general. We are going to go to coin market cap, and I want to outline something that to me is very, very important. To me, it is very, very important. And if someone masters this for the rest of their life, they are going to enjoy the crypto market space. And I want to warn you that if you are not ready for huge money, it is better you stop doing the business. If you are not ready for the huge money, I want to beg you to stop doing the business. Okay, so welcome to today's special run of our sharing, where I want to talk about something that we rarely talk about, but it is very, very, very important. Very, 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 very important. Very, very, very important because it determines our profitability in the business. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a special topic called the Bitcoin dominancy. Before I take you to ChatGPT and all the other classes that I want to do, I felt it would be very absurd for me not to talk about the Bitcoin dominancy because the Bitcoin dominancy reigns most of our decisions when it comes to the crypto market space. How many are following? Let me know in the chat. How many are following? Because some of these classes, maybe I may not be able to do. That's why I come in at this time to give this extra dose. So that I give this extra dose. Yeah. Okay, so let's go. Okay. So, Bitcoin dominance is a metric used to measure the relative market share or the dominance of Bitcoin in the overall cryptocurrency market. It represents the percentage of the Bitcoin total market capitalization compared to the total market capitalization of all other cryptocurrencies combined. So what we mean is that, for example, when we say that in the market we have $3.3 trillion, how much of this money does Bitcoin control? It's what we are trying to talk about. And since Bitcoin was the first asset, it has remained the one with the largest market capitalization, which is why its dominance in the market is a number that many people follow. So even coin market cap is here trying to define to you why the Bitcoin dominance is very important when it comes to our profitability in the business. The Bitcoin dominance metric is considered important for several reasons. Number one, market direction indicator. This is very important. Market direction indicator. I told you today's training is a little bit unique this afternoon because I want to build your confidence. The Bitcoin dominance can be used to understand market sentiment. I told you when we come to market analysis, we can analyze markets in 3 ways. Number one, we can do technical analysis. This is looking at the past history of financial markets because the market does what it has ever done in the past. Number two, we can do fundamental analysis, which I was trying to look at during the morning session, where we dig deep into understanding why was the project created, its tokenomics, and so many other things to do with either the financials of that particular project. Thank you. Thank you. Mpo mtitio. Kanja bukuwa. Bumbe bukuwe. Bila bukuwa. Yangu kusibe. Yangu kusibe kani. Yangu kusibe mwari. Sorry guys, just a minute. I stay home, so I may stay home that you huyo. Onywe motoka ngenda kuenda tofai. All right, so let's go. So we could have technical analysis. We could also have fundamental analysis. And these metrics, when it comes to using your bot to win better, they are very important. Like I've said, the reason of my life today is basically to increase your confidence. It is not about profitability. No, it's about increasing, growing your confidence when it comes to decisions you are taking right now in these financial markets. Are we together? Drop me a 1 in the chat if you are following very closely. Drop me a 1 in the chat if you are following very closely. Drop me a 1 in the chat if you are following very closely. Drop me a 1 in the chat if you are following very closely. Very closely. Okay. Now, since you are following, let's go. So basically, when we are making decisions, welcome to our afternoon special crypto ambassador class once again. So we usually talk about the technical analysis. In the morning, we talked about fundamental analysis. But markets are on the other side, are built by sentimental analysis, sentiments, what people are saying. What are people saying? What are people saying on social media platforms, on different groups? What are people saying about cryptocurrency? What are people saying? What are people positive about? That's why we are now trying to find a way of incorporating AI into our strategy to win better. Okay. Now, when we talk about the Bitcoin dominance, I want to build your confidence this afternoon. When we talk about the Bitcoin dominance, it is a major asset or a major metric to pay attention on because it is a market direction indicator. And coin market cap is trying to define it very well for us because it's saying this can be during times of market uncertainty and volatility when investors may see Bitcoin as a safer bet because of its larger size and more established reputation. Conversely, when the Bitcoin dominance is low, it could mean that investors are more willing to take risks on other potential high reward cryptocurrencies. Listen to me, ladies and gentlemen. Let me repeat this statement until it gripes into your mind. Bitcoin dominance metric is very important. Number one, when the Bitcoin dominance is high, it generally implies that investors are more confident in the Bitcoin relative to other cryptocurrencies. It means that people across the world are interested in Bitcoin compared to other cryptocurrencies. And when the Bitcoin dominance is low, it could mean that the investors are more willing to take risks, potentially on high reward cryptocurrencies. This is very important. And that's why this afternoon, we are going to look at the graph of the Bitcoin dominance. And if the Bitcoin dominance is going down, like it or not, altcoins will be going up in an amazing way. Drop me a one in the chat if that is clear. Drop me a one in the chat. Drop me a one in the chat. So if you are looking at Bitcoin dominance as a metric of market determination, when you take a trade, when the Bitcoin dominance is going down, do it with all your heart. Number two, asset diversification. For investors, understanding Bitcoin dominance can guide decisions when diversifying their portfolio. If the Bitcoin dominance is high, they might consider diversifying into other cryptocurrencies to reduce risk. If the Bitcoin dominance is low, they might see this as an opportunity to invest in Bitcoin because they know it will rise. Number three, market maturity indicator. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, and for a longer time, it completely dominated the market. However, as the crypto market matures, many other crypto assets have been developed with unique features and user case. Therefore, a decline in Bitcoin dominance over time is seen as some of the signs that other cryptocurrencies are becoming more mature and diverse. So Bitcoin dominance metric also gives us a very good indicator about the crypto market maturity. Remember, we are about to celebrate the Pizza Day. Hey, the Pizza Day is very soon. Let's go to one of the reasons why I made this call a trading strategy. Traders listening to me right now, this is the reason why this call was created this afternoon. Although we are going to use ChatGPT to bring our message home very clearly. Ladies and gentlemen, traders often look at Bitcoin dominance to decide whether to invest in Bitcoin or altcoins. Altcoins are just generally other cryptocurrencies apart from Bitcoin. When the Bitcoin dominance is increasing, traders might move their assets into Bitcoin, expecting it to outperform altcoins. Conversely, if the Bitcoin dominance is decreasing, traders might move their assets into altcoin, expecting them to provide higher returns. So, Bitcoin dominance is very important. So, I'll just share my phone. And now let's get into this other factor. Yesterday we are here, and I'm going to just use AI to help you understand what I'm talking about better. Yesterday we are here, and I advise everybody to go and download ChatGPT or Grok Beta. Grok Beta is an AI on X. And as a crypto investor, having an X account is very important because it keeps you ahead of your game when it comes to cryptocurrencies. But most importantly, today, we may not go into Grok Beta. We want to base our time on ChatGPT and how we can find better solutions to our crypto challenging issues that we have. And by the time we ended yesterday's call, we had come up with a better strategy. Okay? What was the name of the strategy? Let me know in the chat. Okay, I'm gonna come up, just give me a minute. Because I did a lot of work yesterday, and Let me come up with that. I think I did it alone. I did a lot, but I just want to. Okay, just a minute. Okay, we said it is called the engineering what? Who remembers the terminology my brother, my V5 used? It is called what? Engineering what? Huh? Who remembers the terminology? Hey, hey, thank you, Mr. Mawamvu. Prompt engineering. Yes, prompt engineering. Just a minute, guys. Eh, oyagala sene meka? Ntwaleeta wano. Kale, lindamu katono. Eh. Okay, guys. Okay, sorry for that. This is called prompt engineering. I'm going to take this class. I don't know whether I'll finish it on time. It is called prompt engineering. So, guys, we want to not to miss any opportunity in the market. So we said, number one, we said download ChatGPT. Are we together, ladies and gentlemen? Download ChatGPT. Then we said, after you have downloaded your ChatGPT and created an account, you have downloaded ChatGPT and created an account. The second step, you see here, there are these two lines. Do you see those two lines? Especially these, tap on them. You can either use the search or the run deep search. Now, there are so many websites online that are talking about cryptocurrency right now. And you cannot check all of them at the same time. What you are going to do is that you are going to ask ChatGPT to go through all those websites that are giving current information about cryptocurrency to just do it for you so that you win your trade. How is that? Eh? How is that? Let me know. How is that? Let me know. Do you know what it means? That ChatGPT is going to go online, go through all the information shared online. Someone is saying sample that. We are going to get there. So, yesterday, our brother came up with a good prompt, and I want to share it into our chat room here. I have changed it according to what I was looking for, but let's read through. Let's read it through together. So I'm just going to get here very fast. Okay, so here it is. Imagine you are a professional crypto trader using RoyalQ as your main trading robot and Binance as your exchange platform. You connected your RoyalQ AI software at Binance via API and enabled it to trade in the spot market in your Binance. You have been trading the spot market since 2021. You have been profitable in your trading journey for 3 years now. You have a deep and an extensive knowledge about market analysis, both fundamental, technical. Let me change it a little bit. Both fundamental, technical, and sentimental. Over years, you have developed a unique market analysis. Now, during my research, I discovered that I wrote a lot. I discovered using ChatGPT that our RSI How many of you know the RSI in RoyalQ? Give me one in the chat if you know the inbuilt indicator. Yes, thank you, Joseph. And on-chain analysis. Okay, but on-chain, okay. On-chain analysis. Let me add that. And on-chain analysis. You developed a unique market analysis. I had found out that the 12 RSI indicator is very good to make entry. Then I asked my robot. So here, after years here, you can write anything. Do you copy, ladies and gentlemen? You can say, find me a good coin I can trade. Give me a yes in the chat if the message is home. You can ask the AI to find you a good coin you can trade. But okay. I gathered and completed everything. But now I can remove some so that, but let me start with this. Okay. RSI to make an initial market entry. It should be below 40 or 50 to make an entry to win better with my $1,000 to make $20 to $50 per day. Which coins to trade and settings to use in RoyalQ. Then I instruct my bot. He has fully understood what he's supposed to do. He is using his experience. So he has fully understood the strategy. And you see, number one, let's proceed. Top 6 coins to trade that are highly volatile and trendy. Exact RoyalQ settings per coin using the RSI of 12 less than 30. Capital location to hit $20 to $50 per day. Shall I generate a full breakdown now? He has understood the task that I want. Do you copy, ladies and gentlemen? The bot has understood the task. He has fundamental, technical, sentimental, and on-chain analysis. I'm specific to using RSI in 15 minutes to make an entry because I want to be making money all the time. Give me a 2 if you copy. So yesterday I spent a lot of time on this bot and I came up with my strategy. And so it's asking me, it gives me the top 6 coins that I can trade. Number 2, it's going to give me a strategy that will use RSI. It's going to allocate my $1,000 in a strategy that could give me $20 to $50 per target. Then it's asking, shall I generate a full breakdown now? Yes. Great. Here is a full breakdown for $1,000 capital using a cycle mode. Remember, I told you, the cycle mode in RoyalQ is superb. Why? Because when you use an indicator, we are entering. I started with the Bitcoin dominance. I was supposed to show you the graph. Maybe at the end of the call, I will show you the graph where the Bitcoin dominance is going down. And I told you when the Bitcoin dominance is going down, other coins will start going up. How many remember that? Give me a yes if you remember that. I told you when the Bitcoin dominance is going down, other coins will be going up. So you want to use the RSI of 12. I may not go back to details, but the RSI of 12 is the best RSI in finishing every opportunity that is happening in the market in an automatic way. Money to the head, money to the solo, money to the handy, money everywhere. Money, 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 money. Hey, so look here, guys. It has done on-chain analysis for me. It has done technical analysis for me. It has done fundamental analysis, and it has come up with the following coins. Number 1, Pepe, highly volatile meme, reacts very fast to sentiment shifts. Floki, trending meme coin with the largest price swings and strong community. Doge, classic meme, liquid, reliable, bounces on oversold conditions. My God. Solana, middle cap with a high volume and consistent momentum. Say, recent mover, often spikes hard with market trends. Worthy hot dog, fast moving, memetic value, good for short cycles. RSI, ladies and gentlemen, you see capital location 165 to 176 coins. Aggressive but balanced. How many are following? Look here, guys. Now it gives me cycle. I will go cycle. I will use the indicator of RSI of 12. The first buying amount could be 10 over 20. Margin calls will be 8 to 16. And it gives me how I should put my margin calls per coin, Pepe, Solana, and he says the expected goal is to complete 2 to 4 cycles, profit 1.5 to 3%, target 20 to 50 from. Then would you like me to turn this into a PDF? Yes. Now they're going to turn this for me to a PDF, and I'm going to share on all our groups. Is this hard to do? Is this hard to do? Now, that was someone who wants to keep making money. That was someone who wants to keep making money all the time. Coin identification, strategy for you. I have even given you the prompt. Why are you broke? Why are you broke? Eh? Why are you broke? Now, it's going to design whatever we have talked about here on a PDF, and I'm going to share this PDF for you. Now, let's change the prompt to getting a signal. Are you ready? Now, we are going to change the prompt to get a signal. Will they give me my PDF? You have, guys, I have used a lot of data. You have reached your data analysis limit. Guys, now I don't know. Hey. Guys, my PDF will not be. It is here. So I'm going to share this PDF for you on the group. Is it okay? Is it okay? Now, what happened? Where did the PDF go? Where did the PDF go? Okay, share. I will share on WhatsApp and on Telegram. Now we want to change the strategy. I'll share on the leaders groups. Now, if you want to trade forever, that is very good. So it has WhatsApp now. So it has these coins, name given, capital location, and settings. Everything has been given. I request leaders. Okay, let me also share on Telegram. But also, but also I can share what I have asked so that you can also go and ask and get the same information. Is that okay? Is that okay? But now my prompt is done. I can no longer ask more. My prompt is done. I can no longer ask more. But I want to just share the same question so that in your free time, maybe you can ask it the same way and you can edit a little bit. But now my prompt is done. I'm not allowed to. I don't know if people have understood. That was so. Let me share the prompt again in the chat. But my main question is, have you got what you can do? So you can change, okay? You can change. Is that clear? When you reach here, you say you can change. So you can say you developed your unique market analysis. Give me your top 3 indicators. Maybe you can combine to give me a good coin to trade now. My prompt is done. So you can just edit a little bit of your question. Guys, I cannot put food in a mouth, chew it for you, swallow for you, and also take you for a longer call. I see some of you are becoming very weak. I'm here just to guide. Hey, I cannot. Yes, yes. I don't need to be everywhere. Me, when I find something good, I don't want to be everywhere. Do you copy? Success does not need a lot of things. It just needs a few things. I don't need it to be everywhere. So, ladies and gentlemen, you can just change something small. For example, let me come here down. I can remove RSI and I say, let me remove RSI so that some of you can understand that it's not about RSI. Let me remove RSI. So I'm going to show you what you can use. So you can change. You have developed a unique market analysis. Of your top 3 indicators. So to win better with $1,000, to make $20 to $50 per day, to make $20 to $50 per day. Now I'm just changing the question. Give me a coin I can trade now. And settings to use in RoyalQ. Just like that. I'm sharing in the chat. I don't need to share my screen. Have you seen, ladies and gentlemen, in the chat? How many have seen? I have just edited the question in your chat. I don't know how many have seen it in the chat of Zoom. Yes, then you copy, come and copy, then come here on Chat GPT, then I paste. You see? So when you are searching, you can use search web. When you switch on search web and you paste, your results will be different even when you switch on deep search. I don't know if someone is able to understand. When you tap on these three dots down here, when you tap on search web and run deep search, the results will be different. Do you copy? I don't know if people have understood. So you see, so it will keep giving you depending on what you have chosen. Does that make sense? So when you choose deep and you ask the same question, you might get a different answer because here it is might be looking at, so it says, I have well understood. And so it's going to do a deep search through all different websites across the network to conclude with you which coins to put your focus, the strategy you can use to help you profit better. So any capital, 200, 100, so this is deep. So you need to tap here if you want something solid. Or you need to tap on just search. Is my message home? Me, my free version is done. But the big question, have you understood? So you just copy this same information, then you take it to your RoyalQ, apply it, and make money. Because you see, it will give you one for Pepe. It will give you settings for Pepe. It will give you take profit. It will give you the settings, the take profit. Coin, you see, coin to trade now, Pepe. You see, the coin to it has given me a coin to trade now, Pepe. It has done technical analysis. It has used RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands. It has done fundamental analysis. It has looked at news, tokenomics, ecosystem, and updates. It has gone through sentimental and analysis. It has looked at social volume, fear, greed index, inflow, outflow, well movement, and it has discovered that the right coin to take to trade, the right coin to trade is Pepe. Why are you broke? I'm just asking for my neighbor. Now I see someone is asking, Julius, are you single? I'm not. Don't even tamper. So you see, it is saying go and use the RSI so that you don't leave any money in the market using the RoyalQ robot. It is saying go and use the RSI so that what do they call it? In Uganda, they call it mokokota. The indicator entry will be RSI in 15 minutes whenever the RSI is less than 30. You are going to kukokota, kokotization. Kukokotalization. You are going to kukokotalize. Are we together? So it's going to give you the first buying amount, the number of margin calls. Margin call drop 5% each layer. Multiple buying ratio 3x. Now, if I don't understand what it's trying to tell me, I don't know if people you copy. If I don't understand what it's trying to tell me, I can still ask it. And I ask it. So it's saying filters oversold, it's volatile, small fast buying amount, multiple, aggressive target profit 5%. Multiple buying ratio is going to be a 3x. You're going to multiply times 3. Whenever the market drops 5%, 3 times. 5%, 3 times with your $1,000. And any capital, you will get a strategy. Are we together? Soko joko wifi eyo. Gino joko switch ya wifi eyo. Entawanya. Ate oddamu giteekako. Are we together? Okay, I'm now back this side. Is it okay? Is it easy? Is it hard? Any capital? Is it easy? Is it hard? You will be collecting everything that will happen on paper. And you'll not get into too much floating loss because once it sells, it will not buy again until the coin gets below 30. Are we together? Are we together? I have given the question. I have told you what to do. You just need to transfer the information. If your chat GPT is not doing what I'm doing, first open up an account. Is it okay? You not just download. First open up an account. First open up an account. After opening up an account, mwagala kucharginga motoka, mwagala kuvuga bude bwakuvuga motoka kati mugende muvuge motoka muva kuvuga mugende muve wano. Mugende weru. Is it okay now? I don't know. If you have understood, give me one in the chat. That's what the lesson was all about. I've told you, if you want to get deep depth, you can run a deep search. If you want just a normal search, you can use a normal search, and this will simplify your trading experience. You don't need to be online all the time. Let the AI do the search for you. When do you open up an account? You just sign up. Download the app, sign up. Make sure I also have a good phone. Aganye. Ndalowooza. Ebebe. Mokoka. Okwonoonye. Tobeere good girl. Era motoka yetambule. Tumuwe ateeke mu motoka. Mpola mpola. Is it okay now? Now, this is deep search. Okay? This is deep search. But if you use normal search, so it's telling me if my first buying amount is $50. So I hope this will be too much, but if you can swallow, this is more detailed. Is it okay, ladies and gentlemen? But the other first part makes it much more easier and more applicable. I want to wish you the best. Ladies and gentlemen, the learning is in the doing. Take the same question, ask it, see if it works out. Let us meet tomorrow. Is it okay? Was the lesson easy? Was the lesson hard? I don't know. But I hope you have already understood. Go, learn, practice, make money. I have given you what to ask, copy it, go to your chat GPT, put in, get the answer. Yeah, the RSI is very good. The RSI is very good. Very good. The RSI is very good. To help you keep make money. Yes, we might provide signals, but we want you to keep making money. With that said and done, thank you for choosing the Crypto Ambassadors to be your support team. Unless there are some questions, unless there are some questions. If no questions or something to add, if no, then I wish you a nice afternoon. Thank you so much for choosing the Crypto Ambassadors to be your support team. Nice trade experience. As the Bitcoin dominance is going down, the future is very bright. Thank you so much. Nothing to add. I just switch my blazers. Someone is saying the lesson was homework. Somehow, maybe you came late. Because if over 200 people are saying okay, and it's only you who is saying not okay, who is the problem? Maybe you have not understood. Go back, go back to go back to the YouTube channel. I think this is the easiest thing. I don't know how to explain, but this is the easiest thing. I have given you what to say. Not so, guys. Give me a one. I have given you what to say. I have told you how you download the app. Now, what is hard? I have given you words to say. If you don't know how to select the RSI, okay. Let's try to enter. Can we try to enter Pepe? Okay, I saw. Let's try to enter one coin. This is too much. There is a lot of deep analysis here. So let me take this simple strategy here. Let me try to take Pepe. Okay? So let's go practical about this example. So number one, I'll move from my ChatGPT and I come to my RoyalQ. When I reach my RoyalQ, I'll come to mine. Then I come to my strategy setting. Then I tap on the plus sign. When I tap on the plus sign, I'll come back to ChatGPT and I take everything as it is given to me. Okay? So it says first buying amount 10. So I'll put my first buying amount on 10. Margin call limit 12. I'll put my margin call limit at 12. Margin call drop 5%. So I will come on my margin call drop here and I'll put 5% because the coin is highly volatile. Okay, so he said each call should be 5%. Is that hard? So I'll put 5% all through here. Then the multiple buying ratio here, he said times 3. It is a 3x. So if you don't use this formula, let me first show you. If you don't use that formula, you can directly come here and look for Pepe to simplify. Those of you who are not good at mathematics, choose Pepe, tap create, next, tap on trade setting, then you go with the smart create. Then the smart create, I'll just make my first buy 10, then the multiple, I'll put 3. So it will be automatic. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, it is not easy for a highly volatile coin to buy all these margin calls. Some of you, when you get these multiples, you get scared. Give me a one if you understand. It is not easy for it to buy those 5% until it finishes all the 12 margin calls. Give me a one. So don't get scared with the money. Okay? So you are not just going to copy whatever is here. Because it says stop margin call by 30%. So once you reach 30%, you are good to go. Is it okay? So you can manually create. You can manually create or follow that. So you come here, take profit, say 5%, then call back 1%. Uh, where is the buying callback? Take profit callback, margin call, multiple 5%. Even these others here. But then let's go to the RSI. So maybe this rest I have put maybe 0.1, or this is 0.1. It's okay. But you can still ask ChatGPT to give you all the details. So come down here on advanced option. Keep this to cycle. The RSI just down here, they don't make sense. Leave the coin to cycle itself up to infinity. Is that hard? Eh? Is that hard? The network is skimpy, but is that hard? I wish you the best. You just transfer the information the other side to this side, and you make money. Keep the coin on cycle. Let the coin follow the indicator. For you, you withdraw, 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 withdraw. Have a good evening. I wish you all the best. If you have not understood, I have recorded this meeting on the YouTube channel. It's up to you. You can even leave whole warehouse mode, or you can go with sub-bin mode, real-time settlement. But I've told you, highly volatile coins, the whole warehouse mode is highly profitable. Any capital, ask it even if you have $100. Thank you so much. Team builders, is your building getting easier? Team builders, is your building getting easier? Let me know in the chat. Team builders, is your building getting easier? Because you just teach someone what to ask ChatGPT, they ask it, get what it says, good to go. It should get easier. You should be making more money. From me, back to you. Love you so much. Prospects don't have capital. It's okay, it's their problem. For how long can you keep the strategy? As long as you want, because the coin is on cycle. Whenever there will be an opportunity, the robot will buy. My network was misbehaving. I didn't manage to copy the question. This question is editable. Is it okay? The question is editable. No cram work. Guys, no cram work. Hope that is fine. I'm going to share the same in all our platforms in the next few minutes. Thank you so much, all our leaders who contributed for us to have a better face. Thank you so much, Ida Dixon. Thank you so much, everybody. Those who reached out to me, thank you so much. Love you all. Together, we create a better team. Together, we conquer the crypto market space. Are we ready to make money? And let's go! Thank you. Have a perfect, fantastic evening. I'll play for you some music, ladies and gentlemen. And